EAS. Severe thunderstorm warning. Here we are. See if it activates on WB&H.
It's saying that if you have conditions that reflect disability issues.
Here we go. It didn't even come on IM bot
The
yet.
National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern McLean County, north central DeWitt County until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from the northwest side of normal to near Waynesville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bloomington around 5:20 p.m. Hayworth around 5:25 p.m. Rappel around 5:30 p.m. Downs around 5:35 p.m. Leroy around 5:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Bloomington Airport, Greenview State Park, Ellsworth, DeWitt, Holder, and Shirley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 55 between mile markers 146 and 168. Interstate 74 between mile markers 123 and 152.
And guys, another thing, there is a tornado warning just south of us, Sangamon, Macon area counties, but I can't even get that on this one because this is one that, the only one that I set to activate for all counties for now, but I think that one was originally set, the one that you guys were looking at, but